Very good morning, students. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher. Student, we are doing our chapter number 4, that is the quadratic equation, and we have done first method, that is factorization method, and today we will learn about two methods, that is completing the square method and quadratic formula. So before this starts a word problem of quadratic equations. My sum is find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Our first question arises here that how we can find that the question is from a linear pair of equation or from quadratic equation. So here my answer will be very simple, that to make a quadratic equation we need two variable should be multiplied. If my two variable in multiply, then their degree will be 2, and if the degree will be 2, then it will convert into quadratic equation. Means every question of chapter number 4, that is quadratic equation, will be from product. Means in any statement we can find easily that there will be two variable in multiplying. For example, in this question, find two number whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Means if I let my first variable x, my first number x, then my second number will be automatically 27 minus x, and the product is 182. Means x into 27 minus x will be 182. Means here we will form a quadratic equation. Let's start. Let first number equal x, then second number will be 27 minus x, because sum is 27. स्टेटमेंट में क्लियरली मेंशन है कि सम इज 27. इफ वी अज्यूम our first number x, then automatically the second number will be 27 minus x. Now according to statement we have given product is 182 and the product of these two number means x into 27 minus x. My first number multiplied by second number will be 182. That is the given. Now if we multiply both, then it will become 27x minus x square equals 182. Now this x square denote that this is a quadratic equation. Now we have already learned the factorization method, so we will solve according to our factorization method. To make this x square positive, we will take this 27x minus x square into right side, then it will become x square minus 27x plus 182 equals 0. 27x minus x square राइट हैंड साइड जाके क्या हो जाएगा, सिंबल चेंज कर लेगा. तो माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर विल बी एक्स स्क्वेयर एंड प्लस 27x will be minus 27x and 182 as it is. Now in factorization method we make the factors of 182 in such a way that the sum or subtraction, means addition or difference, should be equals this 27 and the product should be 182. So 182, first it will divide on 2, then it will become 91 and then 7 37. First fact pair is 2 and 91, not possible. Now second 14 and 13. 14 and 13 sum will be will be plus 27. To make minus 27 we put negative symbol on both the numbers. If minus 14 multiply with minus 13, we will get minus minus plus 182. means these two factors are absolutely right. So put here x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equals 0. This is your rough work. So we have done. Now x common. Here we left with x and here minus 14. And now common out minus 13. We left with x and minus 14. And in these two cases we have x minus 14 common, and we left here with only x and here minus 13 equals 0. And we know the product of two number equals 0 only when one of them number is 0. If my x minus 14 equals 0 or if my x minus 13 equals 0. If x minus 14 equals 0, it means x equals 14, and if my x minus 13 equals 0, then it will be x 13. Now here we have two solutions, and we have already discussed that a quadratic equation means whose degree is 2, we have two solutions. Here we have also two solutions. Now in question we have asked to find the numbers. So if my first number is 14, then second number will be 27 minus x, then 27 minus 14 equals 13. Or if first number is this 13, then second number will be 27 minus 13 equals 14. Means if first number will be 14, then second number will be 13, or if first number will be 13, then second number will be 14. Let's repeat. So first of all, we let first number x, and then second number will be according to statement 27 minus x. Now according to statement product is 182. We simply multiply first number with second number and put it equals to 182. Now 27x minus x square equals 182, and then we have solved it by the method of factorization method. Student, note down it. Okay student, next our second method is completing the square. Completing the स्क्वायर. जैसा स्टूडेंट की नाम में ही एक्सप्लेन हो रहा है कि कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मीन्स परफेक्टली एक स्क्वायर को फॉर्म करना है हमने. ठीक है, जैसे इफ वी हैव एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x minus 5. Now to completing the square means you all student you know that a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. You all know about the identity a plus b whole square equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. अगर आपको ये पता है तो x plus a whole square will be x square plus a square plus 2x. If my a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, then my x plus a whole square will be x square plus a square plus 2ax. Now in this situation we have x square and we have 2x means 2ax. If we write this as x square plus 2 into 2x, minus 5. Now if I compare this with x square plus a square plus 2ax, this is my x square, this is my 2, this is x, and this is my a. And to make it perfect square, I need a square. So simply add square of this a and subtract square of this a. Means x square plus 2 into 2x plus square of a, that is 4, means 2 square is equals 4, and subtract this minus 5. हमने क्या किया, सिंपली क्या किया, हमने इसको पहले 2ax की फॉर्म में लिखा, ठीक है, और जो a वाली टर्म थी उसको एक बार ऐड कर दिया और उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, ताकि हमें जो इक्वेशंस पे कोई फर्क ना पड़े. इट नेवर चेंज द इक्वेशन. नाउ इफ दिस इज a square plus b square plus 2ab, then we can write this x plus a means 2 whole square, and this is minus 4 and minus 5, this will become minus 9 and equals 0. Now x plus 2 whole square equals 9. And student, you know, if this square goes on right hand side, this will become square root, means x plus 2 square root 9 with the symbol plus minus. This plus minus is important. Why I am writing here plus minus? Because you all know that square root of 9 is 3, and plus 3 square and minus 3 square, both answer will be 9. प्लस 3 का भी स्क्वायर और माइनस 3 का भी स्क्वायर, दोनों का आंसर 9 आएगा. तो हमें नहीं पता कि स्क्वायर रूट किसका लिया है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसको प्लस माइनस पुट कर देते हैं. और वैसे भी हमें पता है कि दिस इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, दिस इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, देन देयर विल बी 2 रूट्स. So first one will be positive and second will be negative. Now x plus 2 equals plus minus 3. Now x plus 2 equals 3 or x plus 2 equals minus 3. Now if x plus 2 equals 3, then x will be 1. And if x plus 2 equals minus 3, then x will be minus 5. These are the answers of x square plus 4x minus 5, and these are called roots of x square plus 4x minus 5. स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, इक्वेशन में 2ax में से a फाइंड किया और उस a का स्क्वायर ऐड कर दिया और साथ में ही एक उसका स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, ताकि इक्वेशन पे कोई इफेक्ट ना पड़े. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, हमने उसको एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाया, बिकॉज आवर मेथड इज कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर, मीन्स कंप्लीट करना एक स्क्वायर को. दिस इज आवर कंप्लीट स्क्वायर. देन वी हैव सोल्व द रिमेनिंग टर्म and solve according to as we have done in a factorization method. Now take another example. If our question is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Student, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. First convert this equation by dividing 2 so that a coefficient of x square becomes 1. Divide equation by 2. हम क्यों कर रहे हैं 2 से डिवाइड, so that our coefficient of x square becomes 1. This will become x square minus 5 by 2x plus 3/2 equals 0. And now this is x square, and here we have 2ax. Then we can write it as 2 into 5/4x. I simply multiply with 2 and divide by 2, so that this will convert into 2ax. Now plus 3/2 equals 0. X square minus 2ax. Now add the square of a and subtract the square of a. 5/4 whole square and subtract 5/4 whole square plus 3/2 as it is equals 0. Now this whole term is a square, means x square plus a square minus 2x. Then this will be equals x minus a whole square. Now a remaining term is, this will become minus 25/4 plus 3/2. Sorry, minus 25/16 equals 0. X minus 5/4 whole square. Take the LCM of 2 and 16. This will become 16, and minus 25. This will become 8 3s are 24. Now x minus 5/4 whole square plus minus 25 plus 24 means minus 1/16. This will become minus 1/16 equals 0. And if we move minus 1/16 on the right side, it will become positive 1/16. And x minus 5/4 becomes equals plus minus 1/4. I simply take square root of 1/16. Now either this term will be positive 1/4 or negative 1/4, means x minus 5/4 equals positive 1/4 or x minus 5/4 equals negative 1/4. If this is positive 1/4, then this will become now take the LCM. LCM will be 4 and we will get answer 6/4, which is equals 3/2. Our first answer is, our first 0 is 3/2, and solve this. This will become positive 5/4 minus 1/4 equals 4/4, means 1, and second root is 1. Our first root is 3/2 and second root is 1. So student, we have done with completing the square method. Firstly, convert the equation by dividing a, so that our coefficient of x square becomes 1. Here a is 2, so I divide the whole equation by 2, and this convert the equation in x square minus 5/2x plus 3/2 equals 0. Then our second step will be to find a, means x square plus a square plus 2ax में जो a इन्वॉल्व है उसको फाइंड करना है. तो उसके लिए आप क्या करो, 2 को अलग से लिख लो और x को अलग से लिख लो. आप क्या करो, सिंपली 2 को अलग से लिख लो और x सिंपली अलग लिख लो, और जो बच गया वो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, a हो जाएगा. और उसी का स्क्वायर ऐड कर दो और उसी का स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में उसी का स्क्वायर ऐड कर दो और स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, ताकि इक्वेशन में कोई फर्क ना पड़े. नेक्स्ट क्या करो, इस चीज को जो ये बना है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2x, इसको आप क्या लिख लो, x माइनस ए होल स्क्वायर और x प्लस ए होल स्क्वायर, जो भी डिपेंड करता है स्टेटमेंट में. उसके बाद इस चीज़ को एज इट इज सॉल्व करो, ठीक है। एलसीएम लो, जो भी है, अगर सिंपल है तो डायरेक्ट सॉल्व कर लो। जब हम इस चीज़ को सॉल्व करते हैं तो ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पे दो रूट्स आते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव, मीन्स प्लस और माइनस। तो या तो ये प्लस है या फिर माइनस का, तो उन दोनों को अलग अलग इक्वेट करके हमारे पास एक्स की दो वैल्यूज आएंगी। ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू।